let's take a look at position management. Position management is generally thought to be a dry science of little interest to anyone but a few specialists in human resource departments. Such a notion is full of irony and paradoxes, if not outright misconceptions. First, position classification is as much an art as a science. It actually is composed of different systems, each with distinctly different value biases. Furthermore, the biases of each system shift over time. The art then lies in understanding the different values that exist in various systems. The science is found in the rational implementation of that set of values. Second, the rational order conveyed by classification systems is generally overstated. Most systems of large organizations are quite fragmented, and sometimes they're haphazard because competing stresses such as politics, market forces, merit, equity, and union influence distort them over time. Third, although formal methods of job analysis and job evaluation are often preached in management texts and elsewhere, they're not always used in practice. Finally, although classification systems may seem to be a subject of little utility to those who are not human resource specialists or managers, it's actually a critical source of knowledge and, by extension, a source of power in agencies. Understanding a system's central organizing structures is as important as understanding budgeting or management principles. Decisions about position management are very important in all professional lives, as well as in the health of organizations. Mastery of a general knowledge of the tools used in classifications is a critical competency for today's managers.